Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be making gift boxes. So you're going to need some cardboard, some ribbon. This is a measuring tape and some scissors. So we're going to start by making sure that our paper is a perfect square. So to get the gift box, you have to have a perfect square. So that's what I'm doing here. Just cutting off the excess on the ends. Alright, so once you have your square cut out, now it's time to start folding. The first thing that you're going to do is fold it in half. Now I'm using just regular poster board from the dollar store. You'll see right here I have a piece of wood that I'm using to flatten it because y'all know poster board can be pretty thick. So once I kind of push it down with my hand, I'm also using this to get a really good crease in it, because to make it easier to fold at the end, you are going to need your creases welly creased. So you're going to fold it in half one direction, and then you're going to do the same thing in the other direction. You're going to fold it in half again. Alright, so now your paper should look like this. You should have your 4 sections. And now all you're going to do is take the ends and fold them into the middle. So basically making a big diamond. So just take each corner and fold it into the center. And as you can see, I'm going around with that wood, making sure that all my creases are very strong. Then it'll look like this. Alright, so now this is probably the most difficult part. Now you have to fold your square into thirds. So you're going to fold half of it over and then the other half on top of that. This part can be very difficult, trying to make sure you get it to line up, but it should look like that once we get it creased down. But that's what we're going to do. So we're going to fold it in thirds, and then we're actually going to fold it in thirds in each direction. So now we're folding it in thirds in the other direction. Alright, so now you should have your square should look like this. You should have 9 squares, just like that. And so now you're going to pull out one of your tops. So you'll have your small little diamond at the top, and you'll have 2 squares. And then what you're going to want to do is fold it. So that crease right there is right where you want to fold it. And then what you're going to do is take your sides, and we're going to fold them inward. So this is another reason why you want to make sure that your creases, that all your lines are well creased, so it'll make this folding process easier. So you're just going to fold that in, and you're going to do it on the other side as well. Fold it inward. Now, and this cardboard was a lot more difficult than regular paper. So that's why I'm just going back through making sure that it's creased very well to make my folding process easier. So as you can see, you fold one end and just fold the other one over top of it, just like that. I'm just showing y'all again. One side in and the other side right on top. And then when you turn it around, you can see the box starting to form. And now I'm just pushing down on my creases. And so then you can fold that that top flap, fold it right over. And so now I've undone it and I'm doing the other side just like we did the first side. So you're going to have your triangle and 2 of your squares up. That's where your crease is going to be. And then we're going to start folding our corners inward. And what I'm doing is making all my folds first and creasing it really good first, so then when we get ready to fold the box all together, it'll be simple. So as you can see here, now I'm able to just pull both sides up and it folds together. So then you're going to take one of the ends sticking up and you're going to push it inside and fold it down into the box, and then the other half you're going to fold it right over the top. So I'm just pushing that first side down, making sure that it is tucked in, and then you fold the other one on top just like that. And that's pretty much the box. So of course I'm going to have to go back through and make sure that my creases are a little bit better. Alright, so now I'm just going to put a bead of hot glue right on the top, and then I'm going to tuck that little flap inward to get my box to stay closed. So you guys, this is a decorative box. It's not an actual box that I'll be using, so hot gluing it was fine because now we are going to decorate the outside. So with the ribbon, we're going to go around it and make it look just like a gift box, and all I'm going to do is hot glue the ribbon. Y'all, and you're able to do this with big paper, with small paper. If you remember the lantern DIY that we did, and I had some gift boxes inside the lantern, I did those with really small paper. So you can make miniature ones or large ones, whatever you like. So now I'm just taking a pencil and I'm rolling up my ribbon. And this is a wire ribbon, so it does have the wires on the edges, so it makes it easy to manipulate and fold and style however you like. So once I rolled it, I just kind of unravel it, and there you go. That looks good. But then I'm also going to see how it looks tucked in, and I liked it like this as well. So you just make your little bow on top however you want to, and that's pretty much it. So you can use these around your house or anywhere just as decorative pieces. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.